Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Buddies Tutorials, and today I'm going to just show you how to get this cool macOS like dock on your Windows laptop or Windows computer. And you can obviously see the other things like time and stuff, but it'll remain hidden just to give it a clean look. Now obviously there are some problems like some optimizations which are limited by Windows, but it still looks okay, and if you really want it you can get it done. Okay, so the first step is to open the Microsoft Store up. It's open, search for rounded TB. I already have it installed, and you can also go ahead and install it right now. Once it's installed, click open. Once it's open, it'll actually be open and hidden in your taskbar. Click on it and click show rounded TB. Now you have an area where you can adjust the margin and the corner radius. As you can see, it has already adjusted it in the side. But now we want to go to advanced mode to make it look more like a dock. Now I'm going to keep the corner radius to 3 and the margin to 7. Then I'm going to go to turn on dynamic mode. Then click apply. And now you can see it has kind of become its own dock. Now just click show system tray on hover and click apply. So now the system tray is hidden, and whenever you hover over it, it works. Hope this video helped you guys. You can obviously do more adjustments by changing the margin or by changing the corner radius. I like keeping it on 7 and on 3 since that looks simple and plain. Thank you for watching.